In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add read receipt in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request a read receipt on a single email, why you might use it, and a few best practices to keep things professional. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open and you're ready to compose a message, click to open a new email window. This brings up a blank message where you can add your recipient, subject, and the body of your email. It's a good idea to write a clear subject line and a concise message so your recipient understands the purpose right away. Before you send, you'll turn on the read receipt request for this one message. At the top of the new email window, click the Options tab in the ribbon. This tab gives you controls that affect how your message is handled. Look for the tracking group on this toolbar. In that section, you'll see the option to request a read receipt. Check the box for Request a read receipt. This tells Outlook to ask the recipient's email program to send you a notification when the message is opened. Now, finish writing your email. Add any attachments if needed, give your content a quick proofread, and confirm your recipient's address is correct. When everything looks good, click Send. If the recipient's email system supports read receipts and they allow it, you'll receive a notification when they open your message. A few important notes to set expectations. Read receipts are a request, not a guarantee. Some organizations disable them, some email apps ignore them, and many recipients can choose whether to send one back. That means you might not get a receipt even if your message was read. Use this feature as a helpful signal, not as a definitive confirmation. For professional etiquette, consider adding a friendly line in your message when appropriate, letting the recipient know you've requested a read receipt so they're not surprised by the prompt. Also, use read receipts sparingly. They're most useful for time-sensitive or critical messages where you truly need confirmation that the email was opened. That's it. Thanks for watching.